Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you been learning English grammar for years but still feel nervous while speaking English? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you because today I will tell you a secret method to speak English without focusing too much on grammar. And trust me, many fluent English speakers learn English using the same trick, you know. So so watch this video till the end. The truth about grammar. First of all, let me tell you something very important. Grammar is important, but grammar is not the first step to speaking English. Think about it. When a child learn their mother tongue, do they learn grammar first? No. They first listen, then speak, and later they learn grammar in school. So, if you want to speak English confidently, you should follow the same process. The secret trick number one: learn sentence, not rule. The first trick is learn sentences, not grammar rules. For example, instead of learning complicated grammar rule, learn simple sentences like "How are you doing? Let me check. Give me a moment." That sounds interesting. When you repeat these sentences again and again, your brain automatically learn the structure of English. This is the called pattern learning, and this is how many people learn language naturally. And second number two, think in English. The second trick is start thinking in English. Most people translate from Hindi to English in their mind. For example, they first think in Hindi, मुझे पानी चाहिए. So they translate to English, I want water. But this process make you slow and nervous. Instead, train your mind or think directly in English. For example, I'm thirsty. Let's go. I need help. Start with small thoughts and slowly it will become natural. Okay. And trick number three, speak daily without fear. The third trick is practice speaking every day. Remember this, you cannot learn swimming by reading a book. You learn swimming only when you jump into the water. The same applies to English speaking. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Even if your grammar is not perfect, keep speaking because confidence grow with practice always. Next trick is watch and listen to English. Another powerful method is watch English content regularly. For example, YouTube videos, interviews, podcasts, English movie. When you listen to English daily, your brain start understanding naturally sentences, pattern and pronunciation, and slowly your speaking ability improves. Definitely, it's very powerful method for everyone. So, if you really want to speak in English, please try it. And next, motivation. Remember one thing, fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from practice. So don't wait until your grammar becomes perfect. Start speaking today. Even if your speak is simple English, speak confidently. And in the last, so today we learn that you can start speaking English without focusing too much on grammar. Just remember these four things: learn sentences, not rules. Think in English, speak every day, listening to English content. If you follow this step consistency, your English will improve every day. Okay. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And comment below. I will start speaking English today. So, thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.